What's up? Welcome to my next video. In this video I'm going to be drawing Jotaro Kujo from the anime series JoJo Bizarre's Adventure, and I'm doing a 10-minute challenge again with this. And with this I'm starting with the blue pencil, the Graph Gear Pentel mechanical pencil, and I'm going in to try to get those like the sketches in there so I can kind of go in there with the pen this time, because I want to get like a little construction when I start putting it in. And then right now I'm working with this is like a new pen that I got from the Japanese store, and I wanted to kind of test this out on this particular piece. And now I'm going in with the Pentel brush pen to get those big blacks in. I was trying to get in as much as I could. Hopefully I can kind of get the majority of this done within a 10-minute slot, which I probably did, or as much as I wanted to, at least. Now I'm leading right into the 1 minute, which is the one I usually pretty much struggle with for majority of the time, but this time I try to get in as much as I could, and I started moving it a little bit faster. So I try to work in big shapes. So I'll try to get the hat in first, and the lines starting to get a little sketchy because I'm trying to like get in super fast. I'm trying to get his pretty much the majority of his head in there. I wanted to get his head first and then start getting the body. Even when I got down to the jacket, I was kind of like, maybe my hand started getting tired, I don't know. I might start actually taking the 1 minute and moving it to as the first drawing to do, and then leaving the 10-minute drawing as the last drawing to do. And by the way, this anime it's a pretty weird animation. I mean, even when I watched this years ago, and it's even still running now with a brand new protagonist, but it's a pretty crazy animation. Now I'm leading into the 10-second, which is always the super hard one to do. And then going into this one, the same way I kind of just start throwing in the lines, and the same as with the 1 minute one, I may move the 10-second one, that's probably the first one, and then leading into the 1 minute, and then the 10-minute. Or I might even, for my next video, I might even bump it up to like a 30-minute or something like that. That's as much as I can get for 10 seconds, which is always like the trashed one. And for the rest of the video, I'm pretty much going to just finish off the 10-minute one, because I just want to finish off what I wanted to put in there. All right, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. All right, take care.